Samsung just can't help but stay in the game, constantly pushing the envelope in the battle against Apple. And this time, they're reportedly coming for the iPhone 17 Air in style. Next year, Samsung is rumored to release the Galaxy S25 Slim, a flagship phone that promises to be incredibly sleek without compromising on performance or features. According to leaks, this device will be one of the thinnest smartphones Samsung has ever made, but it will still pack all the power, a big screen, and a killer camera setup. If these leaks are true, this phone is definitely one to watch. Some of the most reliable tipsters in the game, including Ice Universe and Gadgets Data, recently shared some exciting details about the S25 Slim on X. According to Ice Universe, the thickness of the Galaxy S25 Slim could be between 6mm to 7mm, making it potentially thinner than the upcoming Galaxy S25, which is expected to be 7.2mm thick. That would make the S25 Slim one of the sleekest Samsung flagships in history, even thinner than its predecessor, the Galaxy S24, which has a thickness of 7.6mm. But here's the twist. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to be even slimmer, with rumors pointing to a thickness between 5mm to 6mm. So, even with the S25 Slim design, it might still not quite match the iPhone 17 Air in terms of ultra-thin design. If Apple manages to hit that 6mm mark, the S25 Slim will still likely be a little thicker, which is an interesting point for comparison between the two giants. Now let's talk about the specs. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim is expected to sport a 6.6-inch display, which is likely to be the same as the Galaxy S25 Plus variant. This is definitely not a small screen, but it will still keep lightweight and slim, making it easy to handle while offering plenty of display real estate. It will also be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring that the device runs smoothly with fast performance and the ability to handle demanding apps and gaming. With this chipset, you can expect a flagship-level experience, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming your favorite content. But what about the battery? While most slim devices tend to skimp on battery life, the Galaxy S25 Slim will pack a 4,700 to 5,000 mAh battery. This is pretty impressive, considering the phone's thin profile. A slim phone with a battery this powerful is bound to give you the performance you need without having to constantly charge. With this kind of battery, you can expect to get through a full day of use without worrying about running out of juice too quickly. When it comes to the camera, the Galaxy S25 Slim is said to feature a triple rear camera setup. The 200-megapixel primary camera, which could be using the HP5 sensor, is going to provide incredible detail and clarity in photos. This will likely be one of the standout features of the S25 Slim, as Samsung has been pushing the boundaries of smartphone photography with its higher megapixel cameras. Along with that, there's a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, JN5, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x zoom. So, whether you're taking wide-angle shots or zooming in on distant objects, this camera setup should deliver some of the best photography experiences on a smartphone. Samsung seems to be focusing heavily on camera performance, and the S25 Slim looks like it will be no exception, offering top-tier quality for all your photo and video needs. As for the launch timeline, rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 Slim could be unveiled in the second quarter of next year, with the entire Galaxy S25 series likely debuting at an event on January 22, 2025 in the US. So, we won't have to wait too long before we get a glimpse of this sleek and powerful device. Alongside the S25 Slim, we can expect the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Ultra, which will probably offer even more high-end features and performance. So now it's your turn. What do you think? Are you excited for the Galaxy S25 Slim, or are you leaning toward the Ultra variant for all those extra features? Or maybe you're just waiting to see how it compares to the iPhone 17 Air when it drops. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's talk about which phone you're most excited for. I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care and stay tuned for more updates.